Hi there, folks. This is Luke Charles Kuhn at Kuhn Truck and RV, or Little RV Specialist. Started by our mom and dad in 1976, we are proud to be a second-generation family-owned and operated business. My friends call me Luke, and my sisters call me Charlie, but you can call me anytime at 440-OHIO-RVs. A member of our growing team would be happy to help you. Please check out our website at truckandrv.com to view all of our inventory. Again, that's truckandrv.com. There's a direct link to this particular RV in the video description below. If you follow that link, it will take you to our website where you can see the pricing and information on this unit. Once this unit is sold, that link will be removed. We are a full-service dealer offering warranty as well as financing packages. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 440-OHIO-RVs. Again, that's 440-OHIO-RVS. For sale today, we have a 2006 Pleasureway Excel TS with 39,927 miles. Alrighty, folks, here we are inside of this 2006 Pleasureway Excel TS. As usual, I'm going to start in the front, work my way towards the rear. I'm going to do my best to give you a good idea of the overall floor plan as well as the overall condition of this unit. Here at Kuhn Truck and RV, we are proud to be a second-generation family-owned and operated business. All of these RVs go through the same inspection process before they hit the web. We will go through a full demo with you at the time of sale, answer any questions you may have. Get a lot of these Pleasureway Excels here at Kuhn Truck and RV. These are very popular due to the nice bathroom in here and the nice sleeping setup. We got about 74 inches of headroom in the main part of the coach. We got a fantastic fan here. This acts like an exhaust fan or an attic fan at night. Open up the windows, you'll bring the cool outside air in. That runs on DC power, so your coach battery. You got an AC plug in here and here underneath the kitchen counter. Got a mix of hard surface flooring and carpet in this unit. Got a nice, easily accessible entryway. Got a little storage spot in the door. Got a speaker there. This window opens but does not have a screen. Got a curtain that you can pull all the way around for privacy. Got a table mounting the floor. We've got a smaller circular table here. And we've got a larger one there. That is the board that makes up the bed in the rear if you want to make up a big bed, or you have two twins in the back of this one as well as an option that you can do for sleeping. Got your table leg. Got a fire extinguisher. Got a bunch of your light switches here. Some of these lights are dimmable. Got your levels test. Our water pump on off. Pumps the water out of the onboard fresh water tank. Got our Onan generator start stop. That has 47 hours. That's a fresh service, fresh oil change by our certified Onan techs. That's a 2800. Got our water heater on off. That ignites itself. Noxious gas detector. Got a light switch here. Got a little flip out drying rack. Got an aluminum backsplash. This light here needs some attention. I'll have the guys check that out later on after I'm done with this video. Got a window that opens here with a screen. A little blind you can drop down. 2-burner propane cooktop. Got a nice Corian countertop. Got a single basin stainless sink. A little water there that dripped out of the faucet. That's our water pump down there. Got a 3-way Dometic fridge freezer. Got our freezer up top here. It's controlled via the buttons here on the front. You can leave that on the auto setting. I would recommend that for most of your usage, and it will do what it needs to do to stay cool as long as you have the appropriate fuel. Got our propane furnace. Got some of our electrical connections. We're down here, we'll check this out. Got our fuse panel here. Everything is labeled so you can tell what's running on AC power, so your shore power plug-in or your generator, and what's running on your DC power. So these are fuses. This is your coach battery. Got a noxious gas detector there. Got more storage here. Do have a boo-boo here on the front of this door. Moving now into the bathroom. A little towel bar on the front of the door. Not much of a step up and in here. Very accessible. Essentially, you're going to get into this room and take care of all of your business. You got the shower curtain track there. So you can pull the curtain around you and contain some of the water. It's a good idea to towel everything off after you're done. Got an AC plug in here. Got those same Corian countertops in here. Nice sink. Got 3 of these drawers. And access beneath the sink. Got a little rail there for putting your goodies while you're showering. Got a standard toilet. Everything's going to drain into the bottom of the basin there. This LP furnace is controlled via the thermostat over here. Got another light switch for some of the rear lights. These 2 lights turn on and off on little switches that are right there by the lights themselves. Also got 2 speakers back here. These are played through the TV and the DVD player here. The air conditioner over top here is controlled via the buttons, or I should say the knobs that you turn here on the front. That is powered by AC power, so your shore power plug-in or your generator. Got a coffee pot, a TV antenna. You do not want to drive around with this up. Got just a little bit of marring on the veneer here. Kind of hard to see on the camera. Got windows that open on this side and this side with screens. Got 2 seat belts back here, so a total of 4 seat belts in this unit. So you're going to push this button over here. It's going to flatten this sofa out. You could technically sleep across here if you'd like, if you just have 1 person, or you can run the sofa down and have 2 twins, or you can use that board and the cushions to make up the big bed. I'm going to drop some pictures now so you can see what that looks like and get some measurements. The separate twin sleepers measure approximately 26 inches wide and 70 inches long. This sleeping setup is popular in small motorhomes as it allows you to easily get up and use the restroom at night without crawling over one another. If you make up the big bed, it measures approximately 81 inches east-west or side-to-side and 66 to 70 inches north-south or front-to-back. Here we are sitting in the back of the Pleasureway. How do pickles enjoy a day out in their RV? They relish it. Got another table mount here in the rear. The TV has an inverter behind it that inverts the DC power to AC. Also got a standard AC plug in here, 12 volt power. You can flip this out to face the front. Both of the front seats do swivel. Passenger seat will get a lot better position. You can watch the TV from the front. Got our DVD player here. Got a switch here that turns on and off the inverter and everything back here. That's your TV remotes, all those goodies there. This panel here has been modified. I don't believe that's factory. We've also got a little boo-boo there on the corner. Got 2 screw holes here on the counter flip out. Got a microwave up here. This runs on AC power, so the shore power plug-in or the generator. Got a little paper towel holder up top. Some more storage there on the little rail. Got our books there. So all in all, we've got a nice Pleasureway here. Pretty clean throughout. Very nice looking on the inside and outside. Got a couple minor boo-boos here and there. Tough to rate these sometimes. I think for a 2006, this is in very good condition. Could call it somewhere between an 8.5 or a 9, depending on how much you want to ding it for those little boo-boos on the wood trim and the cabinet doors, things like that. I'm going to go and call this one an 8.75. Check this one out at truckandrv.com. Kuhn Truck and RV, the best little RV dealer around since 1976 and home of the RV brothers. The cabin area, we got power windows, power locks, power mirrors, tilt, cruise. We've got a CD player with XM capabilities, got auxiliary in, got some 12 volt DC USB charging ports. Got nice clean upholstery. Got a little bit of room down below. Nice cup holders. This is a remote control for the rear airbag suspension. You can pump that up there with the remote. Not seeing any signs of smoking. The cigarette lighter is unused, so while it's tough to say for sure, I'm going to call this one a non-smoker. Alrighty, folks, we're going to go around the outside of this 2006 Pleasureway Excel TS. This RV measures 20.5 feet bumper to bumper with an 11-foot manual awning. It has 4 brand new tires. This Pleasureway is built on a Ford E350 chassis with a 6.8 liter V10 engine with 39,927 miles. This has the 6.8 liter V10 as opposed to the 5.4 V8 that you see in a lot of these Pleasureway Excels that we get in. Got a very nice looking exterior, lots of shine. We've had the stripes removed on this one, so there's no stripes. Has more of that clean look. Got one coach battery here. Got your furnace exhaust. Got the back of the refrigerator. The awning legs are inside of the awning itself. Crank that out here. I prefer running those legs directly to the ground as opposed to the little clevises that are on the side of the unit. That prevents people from walking through at night and breaking your awning leg supports or anything like that. Got two 110 AC plugins here so you can plug things in beneath the awning. Got a storage bay. Coming around to the back, we've got a tow package. We've got the little air chucks here. That's where you inflate, deflate, or check the pressure on the rear airbag suspension. Got our coach battery disconnect here. That disconnects the coach battery to prevent parasitic draw. That also disconnects the charging systems, which are the alternator while you drive, the shore power plug-in, or the generator. We've got our awning crank and center rafter here. Got a ladder here. Coming around to the driver's side. Again, we got a very clean look here with just the Pleasureway. Got lots of shine on this unit. Got the back of the water heater. Got the fill for the onboard fresh water tank. Got a compartment there with our shore power hose. Got a sewer hose storage. And we've got those actual alloy rims on this unit. Got an outside shower. This is nice for kids, pets, going to the beach. Got your fuel fill for the engine and the generator. Generator will stop running around a quarter tank. Got our city water in. Got cable TV here. We've got our propane tank. This is the shore power plug-in. Got our Onan generator. This is a fresh service, fresh oil change by our certified Onan techs. Got the generator exhaust here. Got our sewer dump. This is the black and the gray. So you'll pull the black first and then the gray. All in all, we've got a really nice looking Pleasureway here. This one is ready to hit the highway.